I'm working on the sound, and here is the horrific sound it makes now. Clearly something is not right. I don't know if you can see anything, but you'll hear this. Yeah, something's not right. Okay, so yeah, the wires are right according to the schematic, but something's obviously not right. All right, so I'm gonna shut this off. Cut a few wires. I think that potentiometer is maybe part of the problem. Yeah. All right. I'm not sure if this sound card I got is actually, maybe it's functioned correctly, but here's what it sounds like now that the volume has been cut. Yeah, so still not quite right. Yeah. Well, it didn't have a speaker in it when I got it, so I'm just kind of going by the schematic. I'm gonna look at that again and make sure I don't have like a feedback thing going on. Maybe it's just as simple as the wires are crisscrossed. All right, we'll give it a look and see what happens. So we've come a long ways from when we got it. At least it resembles a pinball machine. Sounds like a pinball machine. Just needs a little tune-up now and some sound. And I think we'll move on to some of the other machines I have, like Flicker. That was a machine, that's an EM. So that would be, I think that's EM, yeah. Yeah, that's EM. Anyhow, Trident, yeah. None of the fun starts. Okay. Well, we have sound now. I wired in a new potentiometer because I had my suspicions about this one. So I bought, actually it came with two. It was kind of cool. So I just wired it up temporarily in there. So now we have a sound. It's kind of cool. Meow. It's pretty basic. Start a game. Still get the weird extra credit thing going on. Yeah, that. 10,000. There must be a setting I need to look at for the MPU. Yeah. Okay, we're at, that one says 4x, that one says 5x. Okay. Well, it seems to be working. Now I just need to do a little tune-up. All the lights, all the switches, all the solenoids, and now pretty sure all the sounds. There isn't much to this. The sounds, pretty basic. Early solid state stuff. Right on. Okay, so now we have a playing machine. Okay. We'll pick. All right.